What you say about the YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Slick GT23 coming back at you with another video. First of all, I want to thank my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. I read all comments. I respond to all comments. So if you would, please subscribe to the channel, because we're going to try to take this channel all the way up as far as we can go. So be a part of that growth and subscribe. Comment, like that video, and be a part of the growth. YouTube, this video comes on a day where the President of the United States decided he was not going to run for re-election. Now, I don't like to do politics on this channel. I didn't create this channel for politics. I created this channel for car content. There's a few channels that I follow that, you know, they say it's a car channel, but it seems like the closer we get toward November, they're incorporating more and more politics into their channel. You know what I'm talking about. You know the big YouTubers. Big YouTubers. You know, they incorporating politics into a car channel. I created this channel to get me away from politics, because I do a lot of politics. But this channel and the other car channels that I follow, you know, they were supposed to be car content channels, fun channels, but they're adding politics to it. So all I want to say about that is, when it comes to politics, if you're not informed, get informed. Get informed. Now, today's video, something happened to me today. I got ready to make a little run in the Slick GT, the RGT. I got ready to make a little run in it. So I got my remote. I hit the start. The lights flashed and nothing happened. I was like, what the blankety blank, you know, what's going on? So I grabbed my spare keys, hit the start, same thing. Lights flashed, nothing. So I came out to the car. I said, well, let me see what's going on, because everything has been perfect up to this point. And like I said, the good, the bad that I experienced with this car, I'm gonna tell you about it. And that was a bad experience today. So I get to the car, and on the screen display, it says key fob not found, or key fob, what, something pertaining to the key fob, like it wasn't reading the key fob. And then it said press brake, start car to reset. Like, Oh, okay. So I did that. Car started up off the start button inside the car. Not my remote, but just the ignition start button. So that's a good thing. Now, I said, well, I'm not gonna go anywhere. I ain't gonna do anything. I'm gonna wait a while. And when I decide to try it again on the remote, I said, I'm gonna do a video with the remote. If it starts, it starts. If it doesn't, then you will be a witness as to what I was talking about. So we're gonna grab the key fob right here and we gonna give it a start and see what she does. Okay. So maybe it was just a resetting issue. Maybe it was just a resetting issue. Yeah, she a little dirty. Just a little bit. She a little dirty just a little bit. Like I said, you know, we done had some overcast for a while. We done got some rain, overcast. So she a little dirty. She ain't real dirty. She a little dirty. You know, a slick RGT. It's got to stay clean at all times. Now we're gonna hit this remote and see if she'll shut back off. Okay. Well, that was an experience. Like I said, first time that ever happened. Maybe it was a simple, you know, computer glitch. Needed a reset. But comment down below and let me know if y'all done had that same issue at some point. I'm curious to know. Hi YouTube, my subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe, comment below. I read all comments. I respond to all comments. And let me know if y'all had that issue with your key fob. And we gonna get on up out of here. And until the next time, y'all stay up. And like I said, if you're not informed, get informed. Peace.